Hey guys, Ready Dog. Got these Chola chalk markers. These are like paint pens, but they're like for non-porous surfaces, like window panes or car windows or something, and it wipes off with a wet cloth. So cool. Look at this. It's got a cap on it. So you have a little clip there, and you got to get the stuff. You first shake it up like this, and then you dab it on to the place that you're going to paint. See there, I made a little puddle there, and that wipes up with water, so it's not a big deal. Now I'm going to try and write something here. Okay, here we go. I'm going to write. I should have my wife do this because she's very crafty, but I'm not. See how well that shows up? I'm just going to draw one of my grandkids' names here. Look, isn't that cool? Okay, there you go. And works real good. And look at that. All you have to do you can dot, you can make whatever. I mean, it's just like drawing, but it works on windows and things. Now watch this. I'm gonna put this back in here. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in there. Also, look at all the colors. So cool. Now we go over here. I'm gonna keep you guys on here for a minute. I'm gonna get a paper towel, wet it down. Very simple. Watch this. It just has to be damp. And it just wipes away, just like that. Kaboom, gone. There it is, and you throw it in the trash. See there, I know it's trash because it's labeled. All right, guys, neat little markers, great for kids over 3 years old. Easy clean up, doesn't stain anything, doesn't make a mess. Just a cool set, really nice. There it is right there. My grandkids are gonna love these.